So I made 11% ROI in just one day. So basically this is a chart of InfoBean. As you can see that InfoBean has a crazy momentum on its earning period. This was the huge momentum what I am talking about. So what was my plan? So my whole plan was that if stock sets up in hourly time frame, make a flat base, I am going to buy because I don't care about the market. I just care about if stock is setting up, if theme is there, it's icing on a cake. I did the same because Mark Minomini always stress on this part. Now let's jump towards the hourly time frame. As you can see that this was the base what I was talking about. I took an entry yesterday with a day tight stop loss and I allocated around 30%. Why 30%? Because in this period I just want to make my confidence up to that level so that I can take trade again and again without demotivating myself. And on this period, the whole focus should be on the survival. So if you will just master this survival period, just imagine if bull market will arrive, how ROI will explode it. So this was the whole reason behind it. I took this trade on 575, made 11% ROI. Thank you guys.